6.5I. My husband loves it because I do these on the bed and then I just leave everything piled there till bedtime. Drives him crazy. Oh, this is really neat. This is a Nirvana 7-inch maple, a USK 6.5. Look at this. That is so cool. I'm doing all the small stuff first, then I'll open the bigger one. Could be something I already got, I don't know. Stitch markers and a needle. Gotta have those. It's really funny because they're really fast because I ordered them on Thursday or Friday. Let me see. Ordered them on the 27th and today's the 31st and they got here all the way from Alabama and I'm on the Oregon coast, so they do ship really fast. Oh, look at this little guy. It says a pattern Haya blossom lace socks, cuff down. But it's a little oh, you know what it looks like? Let me take this out of here. It looks like a little tiny. It is. It's octopus snips. They're little snips. Look at that. In a little case, it looks like a little octopus. Let's go for the big one. A Nirvana sheep box. I do have another one of these that came with one of the things last time. I use knives on everything. I worked retail for too many years. It's just a habit to pick up a sharp knife and cut everything open. Every once in a while, if it's a plastic bag, I'll use scissors, but all boxes, it's my trusty knife. And it's just a little dollar store knife that I got at the dollar store. It's really sharp. Oh, my other little sheet box was black. This one looks like it's clear. It's a little sheep. There's his little head and his tail. And little curly cues. You put your stitch markers in there. Okay, that was the crochet one. This one is knitting box number 4. Same card. Thank you for buying your mystery box. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6. Stitch markers, like I don't have enough. I like gave some to my friend the other day, and she's like, no, don't let me take all your stuff. And I'm like, geez, I have hundreds. I probably have like 300 stitch markers because I bought some big thing for it. And I keep getting free ones with different stuff that I order. Little tape measure. There you go. Oh, look at these way cool scissors. Oh, and I'm going to go back a little bit. So the knitting box, number 1 was $25. The crochet box was $25. Yep, because they are like 3 different prices, depending on which one you get. The Nirvana 10 mango single point knitting needles. The yellow, that's just tissue paper. I'm trying to put it all in the box. And I will put the address because it's called the Knitting Zone, but they have the knittingzone.com and the knitting outlet, and the knitting outlet is where all the mystery boxes are. This one is the number 10 bamboo single point. Okay, now let's go. Knitting box number 4 is also $25. Oh, number 4, that's one I just did. Knitting box number 1 is also $25. I'll have a little card. Oh, it looks like another pair of scissors. Same scissors. That's alright. We're always losing scissors around here. Between my mom and I. We have several little pairs, or somebody comes and, like my friend Janice, when she was here, she really didn't have the stuff to crochet, so we filled up her bag with stuff that we had. Scissors, and like I said before, stitch markers, and then I did her a emergency kit, and I put in a bottle of scotch and a cigar and a crochet hook. I gave her one of the cafe crochet hooks and some stitch markers and a skein of yarn. Okay, and then this is a Haya US 13.9 mil. It says 13.9 millimeter. Little tiny thing. It's a crochet hook. That's all right. I don't care. I can use those. I've got some. They're all. That I got at like the Humane Society thrift store, which is really fun. Oh, look at these beads. Hopefully I've got enough. Oh, you can. I've got enough good light. You can see them. Those are cool. Translight blue. More stitch markers and another needle. All the stuff you can never have too much of. Oh, stitch markers. That's a dog bowl. It's got dog food in it. Flour. A little paw print. And another little, like half flower, leaf, whatever you want to call that. And this is so exciting. And another pair of number 10 mango single point. Alrighty, we're down to the last one. Now the last one cost me more than number 2. It cost me $44. So let's see if it's anything different. I wanted to kind of get all the different ones so you guys could see what all they have. Kind of fun. I think that maybe there's only 2 that I haven't gotten. Looks like more stuff in there. Maybe not, but okay. Oh, I love these. I have one of these. I wondered where they came from. They're little yarn balls with a loop is elastic and you just slip it through. I love these. I have them for I use them in my crochet all the time. So I'm glad I got some more. Now I know where they came from. Stitch markers. I might get some little danglies and hang on those. Get some cute little stitch markers. These are, oh, these look like blocking pens. See, I'm still learning knitting and my mom doesn't block, but I know what these are. I'm getting pretty smart in my old age. Oh, no, I like this pair. I like them all. The other two, too, even though they're alike. Look at those. Maybe I'll start collecting sewing scissors. Knitting scissors. What are you doing down there, Petey? He's laying here by the bed keeping me company because he doesn't get very far away from me when I'm home. And I just left to go get Mom's dinner, so now he thinks that he doesn't want me to leave because I already left for the day. Cable needles. Well, this must have come out of the box back there that only had stitch markers. I was wondering about that because all the rest had the needle, but I wasn't worried about it. Not like I don't have enough sewing needles. Another set of number 10. Or, oh, these are 10-inch for 3.5. I better go back there and check. I read them all wrong. Yeah, these were a 6 out of the other box. And then I had a 15, which is exciting because I don't have any, and a 13. Huh, nice. Now I have like almost quite a few knitting needles, and they're short. I like that. And an 8. I'm like set to go now. I really like these. Really. Do I really like them? Yes, I really like them. Okay, one more. Ooh, double points. I like double points. I've heard several people say they don't, and even though I just picked up knitting, one of the first things I learned was a hat with double points. When I took the knitting course through Knit Crate, that's what they had you do, and I actually liked them. Once you get the hang of them, they're really easy. But these are number 6. So I'm glad I reordered all that stuff because that's like awesome. So out of all those boxes, so total 100 and, well, it was 25 bucks for shipping, so $144, but 119. I got 1, 3, 4, 5. 5 sets of needles. And the double points. Crochet hook. Cables. Blocking pins. 3 pairs of scissors. Stitch markers. 3 darning needles. 3 packages of stitch markers. These stitch markers, which I'm really happy about. Crochet hook, tape measure, and another crochet hook. Yeah, I really think that was worth the money. I'm going to have to look these up and see how much these sell for. Because they're made in India. I'll look it up and I'll post it in the video in the description. Yeah, I know that Nirvana and Haya stuff is expensive, so that's the other thing. That's the 2 brands that they send. So, you know, I will look up the needles and the crochet hooks and the scissors and see how much they sell for. Thank you very much for watching. Enjoy your evening. I know some of you it's dinner time, some of you it's bedtime. Just enjoy, and some of you are just enjoying a movie. Whatever you're doing, enjoy it. Thank you very much for watching.